Hi everyone, welcome once again to the Android Ken channel, and as you can see in front of us here are two devices, that is the Tecno Camon 19 and the Tecno Camon 19 Pro. These are brand new devices in the Kenyan market. In fact, as I'm shooting this, they are yet to be launched. We've only seen the ambassador Otile Brown being unveiled, and we don't even know the pricing yet. So obviously, going by the names, this is the more superior model to this standard variant, but since we don't know much about them and we have them in front of us, we're going to unbox them and see what's in there. And then obviously in coming days, when the launch happens, we'll be sharing with you on the blog all the information that you need to know, where you can buy them, how much they cost, and what have you. As you can see, the boxes are quite slimmer than what we've seen before from Tecno, and of course the standard Tecno Camon 19 box is quite slimmer compared to the Camon 19 Pro. As you can see here, the Camon 19 Pro is quite hefty. Yeah, we'll look at these devices individually and then also combine them and see the differences, if any, visible to the naked eye, and all those kinds of things. So join me. We're going to start with this. This is the Tecno Camon 19. This is the standard variant. There should be the Pro up there, and then this one somewhere in the middle. Maybe there is another lesser version of this. I have no idea at this point, but this we're assuming will be what has entry-level pricing for the series. So let's see what you're getting with it. Obviously, as far as the packaging goes, this is the Tecno Camon 19. It packs a 64 megapixel bright night portrait camera, and there's a 16 megapixel pro selfie camera. Has a full HD plus display with high color gamut, which is it's 6.8 inches. It has a 5000 mAh battery with 18 watt flash charging. So my understanding is that's one of the key departures with the Pro, because the Pro, I understand, should start at that 3 watt fast charging. Here's the interesting bit. This has NFC. So if you're like me, you like tapping on your home theater system to play music, that should do it. And of course 4G, and it has a MediaTek Helio G85 chipset. It's an octa-core chipset. And what else? Not so much else that I can see here. Let's unbox this thing. Here's our device. Come back to it shortly. And that's how our box opens. We have this 13-month warranty sticker. We have a clear jelly case for the device. We have here your charging brick. This combined with the USB-C cable here is what will give you the 18 watt fast charging. So let's keep this aside. And good old Tecno is still giving you earphones, so we can plug these into the device's 3.5mm headphone jack, and thrown inside the box is your SIM tray ejector pin here. Let's toss all of these aside, come back to our device. So here's our device. You can see this, how it looks, quite interesting. And what color do I have here? I have the Eco Black color model. And this one has 128 GB of onboard storage and 4 GB RAM, so as entry level as it gets for the series. So you have there, that's your 16 megapixel selfie camera, and at the back, of course, you can assume that's the 64 megapixel snapper. So let's get rid of this. There is your Tecno Camon 19 in all its Eco Black glory, and these cameras do protrude. Placed on a table, it will wobble. Yeah, you might need to slap that case. Down here, USB Type C, your speakers, 3.5mm headphone jack, and a microphone. Up top, there's just a mic. And on the side, your volume up, volume down buttons, and your power on button. And on the side is your SIM tray. That should be pretty much it. That also means your fingerprint sensor is under display here. Let's power it on and see what we are getting with Tecno's iOS. There we go. This is the welcome screen. This is the home screen of the Tecno Camon 19. Yeah, on the side you get the zero screen, which we also get on Infinix devices. You're also getting smart scenes here, so pretty much the same experience as on Infinix. Here you have your AI gallery, which is basically Tecno's fancy naming of your gallery. This is where all your photos, screenshots go to. Tecno's calendar app, other pre-installed apps like the Phoenix browser. Nowadays it's morphed into so many things, and yeah, here you get all of those things. Nothing strange here. Ella, which we've previously seen. I think we first saw it on the Phantom X. It's Tecno's own voice assistant, and I have no idea what this is. Should be like something to do with the battery or something. I don't know. Yep. Yeah, this is just a task killer, basically. Frees up the memory and all of that. So when you're feeling your device is sluggish, you do that. So here's our quick settings. Nothing strange here. And MOL, I have no idea what MOL is, but there's a prompt to register for e-warranty. So quick settings, and here's our notifications drop down. So let's go into the settings, see display settings. Doesn't look like there's a fast refresh rate here, so that should be one of the things that distinguish the Tecno Camon 19 from its Pro sibling. That's pretty much it. Turns out our fingerprint sensor is actually on the side, not under display. That might be a preserve of that other device. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and do be on the lookout for our quick comparison with the Camon 19 Pro.